If you do not buy Bitcoin now, you will never be able to afford to buy it because it's expected to reach $1 million per coin in the next few years. Now the race to accumulate this digital gold has become a global competition. But wait, there's more. Major countries in the world, institutions, banks, and even the US President Donald Trump, everyone is buying Bitcoin. Donald Trump's company World Liberty Finance just bought 6 major cryptocurrencies that are now worth $427 billion. This is not a fancy trend anymore. Bitcoin is the future of money. And today I'm going to show you how Bitcoin is going to replace gold and all other assets in the world. No matter who you are and where you are, it's time to educate yourself with this life-changing opportunity to get rich in this Bitcoin era. I'm also going to show you why and where to buy Bitcoin and other digital assets that can make you life-changing money in the next few years. Just before we start, make sure to smash that like button and destroy that subscribe button. And remember, this video is only for educational purposes. I am not a financial advisor. You should do your own research before making any investment decisions. With that out of the way, let's jump in. Bitcoin's price has crossed $100,000 per coin, from being called a fantasy coin to be leveled as a digital gold. Bitcoin has established itself as the most valuable asset in the 21st century. And that's why so many countries in the world, institutions, banks, and companies, they are all racing to buy Bitcoin as if this is the last asset on earth. El Salvador became the first country to legalize Bitcoin and has been buying Bitcoin. They've now accumulated over 2,300 BTCs in their Bitcoin reserve. And Bhutan, a South Asian country, recently announced that it is going to create a national Bitcoin reserve. And Bhutan currently owns 1.1 billion worth of crypto assets. And meanwhile, Russia has been using cryptocurrencies to bypass international sanctions, and it's quietly accumulating Bitcoin. And the United States is preparing to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve, changing the Bitcoin's growth trajectory towards the moon. The US President Donald Trump has become the most pro-crypto president in Bitcoin's history. And guess what? Trump and his company recently bought major altcoins like Ethereum, Chainlink, Ondo, and Aave. Trump is publicly endorsing cryptocurrencies and planning to create a Bitcoin reserve. On the other hand, major banks like JP Morgan are calling for imminent crypto insurgence. The institutions that actually hated crypto are now publicly advocating for crypto. And the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock, is now the second biggest holder of Bitcoin. BlackRock's Bitcoin holding have passed 1.5 billion US dollars. Since US is about to set up crypto regulations, it's going to be a lot easier for institutions, banks, and companies to buy crypto and hold in their balance sheet. Then it's not going to be you and me. It's the countries fighting over Bitcoin. It's the banks fighting over Bitcoin. It's the institutions fighting over Bitcoin. So the price of the Bitcoin will definitely skyrocket. Various analysts expect that Bitcoin's price in 2025 will cross $200,000 and more. Now the question is how Bitcoin is replacing gold. To answer this question, we need to understand the supply and demand mechanics of Bitcoin. Bitcoin mainly has its value because its supply is limited. There will only be 21 million Bitcoins that will ever exist. No more than 21 million Bitcoins. And to keep in mind, over 19 million Bitcoins have been already mined. And because of that, the price of the Bitcoin is going higher and higher every day and every year. And because of the shortage of supply and high demand, the price of Bitcoin is expected to rise even aggressively. And that's why this is so critical moment for people like you and me. If we're going to miss out this opportunity, we will never be able to catch up with Bitcoin and its growth. We may not be able to buy it again because its price is skyrocketing every time. And if you can get your hands on Bitcoin now, you will be creating generational wealth for sure. Now that was all about why. Now let's talk about how and where to buy Bitcoin. How can you join this digital gold rush? I am going to leave the links of the most trusted exchanges where you can buy Bitcoin in the description below. All you need to do is go down below this video description and follow the links and create your account on those exchanges where you can buy Bitcoin and other digital assets. All you need to do is you need to sign up using the links below so that you will also get exclusive bonus, sign up bonus and trading fee discounts that's only exclusive to this channel's viewers. Once you sign up, you can download their applications, which is really handy to use. And if Coinbase and Bybit is not available in your region, I have a link for BitUnix, which is also one of the best exchanges out there. You will not have to provide any ID verification there, no KYC needed, just your email and password. You will be able to sign up with BitUnix and it's available worldwide. You're gonna get over $5,500 worth bonuses in BitUnix if you sign up using the link below. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave a comment and I'll see you in the next video.